In this exercise, we would like to recreate what we see on the right hand side. Now, first of all, I want to get hold of those purple color and the brownish color. So on the left hand side, we're going to make use of the quick edge. So on the right hand side, I'm going to make use of the set. And in this dialog at the top right hand side, you will see that there's a picker, and that's where you can get a color from any pixel on your screen. So I'm going to click on the command and I'm going to indicate the purple, and I'm going to say OK, and as you can see, it added to the list. So let's go set again because I want that brownish color as well. I'm going to click on the picker, indicate the color, Caddie picks up the color, and we're going to say OK. So now we've added the two colors to our full list. So on the right hand side now, the new enhancement, as you'll notice at the bottom, it says close object or polyline. Now if I select the first polyline, as you can see, it's an open polyline, as well as the second one is also Caddie confirm polyline 1. It's open polylines. So let's just hide this, and I'm going to switch off my dimensions. And now you will see that on the right hand side, it's set to closed object or polyline, and I'm going to ask Caddie prompt for island. So I'm going to take my color, drag, and I'm going to drop it. Now it should fill the whole area because now Caddie asks us object for island. So I'm going to indicate the inside, and I press escape. And the same as with the brownish color, I can just drag and drop inside, and I can press escape. And as you can see on the left hand side, both those two polylines were open, but still it can fill the area with the edge. Let's switch back on everything, and there we go.